Now, wonyomi na. Wonyomi. Wonyomi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Wonyomi. Now, banome. Tani dio oseme de wolwe.
Oseme de wolwe.
Mi chile mu. Banome tani de wo chile.
De wo chile.
Do you know what that one means?
No.
It means what are you cooking? Barumanome now. Barumanome. No. Meaning ask.
De wolwe.
Mi chile mu. Banome tani de wo chile.
O chile.
De wo chile.
De wo chile.
Mi chile idomi.
Mi chile indomie.
I told you that whatever that is responded to you is what the person is doing. You are not supposed to respond. You are not supposed to echo that one as it is. You understand? Now, J Wolwe, what does that mean?
What are you doing?
And when you say J Wolwe to someone, what does the person say? How will you know what the person is doing? Whatever the person says is what the person is doing. Manome now. Romanome J Wolwe. Romanove, that is ask me again.
Devolve.
Mi chere mu. Banome tani de bowena.
Devolve.
Ona utita na me biere.
Ona utita.
So what do we call this one in Urhobo?
We can't check.
What you gonna check? I told you whatever the person is doing is what the person is doing. Uje bowena obohand. Ona utita.
Onana utita.
So what do we call this one in Urhobo?
Onana.
Onana. This utita is the word. Utita onions. All right. Have a good day.